In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to merge two images in Google Docs. If you want to combine two pictures into a single visual inside your document, Google Docs has a simple built-in tool that makes it easy. We'll be using the drawing feature, which lets you place images together, resize them, and arrange them exactly how you want before inserting them into your document as one merged graphic. To begin, open your Google Docs file and go to the top menu. Click Insert. This is where you'll find the tools for adding different types of content to your document, including images, tables, and drawings. From the Insert menu, move down to Drawing, then select New. This opens a blank drawing canvas in a pop-up window. Think of this as a small workspace where you can build your merged image before placing it into the document. Next, upload your images into the drawing area. Add the two pictures you want to combine. Once they appear on the canvas, you can click and drag them into place. If your images are different sizes, don't worry, that's very common, and Google Docs gives you a quick way to adjust them. Resize the images if needed by clicking one and dragging the corner handles. Using the corners is helpful because it keeps the image proportions looking natural. Try to make both images fit the layout you have in mind, whether you want them side by side, touching, or layered together. It's a good idea to leave enough room on the canvas so you can position everything comfortably without feeling cramped. Now move the two images closer to each other. You can place them directly next to one another, or overlap one image on top of the other if that better matches the effect you want. This is the step where your final composition really comes together. Take a moment to adjust the placement carefully so it looks clean and balanced. If needed, drag the images around a few times until you're happy with the result. Once everything looks right, click Save and Close. Google Docs will insert the drawing into your document. At this point, your picture is merged as one object inside Google Docs. That means you can click it and move it around your document more easily than managing two separate images. If you ever want to make changes, just click the merged image and choose Edit to reopen the drawing window and adjust the layout. And that's how to merge two images in Google Docs quickly and easily.